we're back. This is the Can You Hack It video 6, I think. Let's see. Video 6. Video 5? No, this is video 6. Anyways, alright. So, I'm going to work on these two. Actually, I'm probably just going to be able to work on this one. I don't know how hard it's going to be. I want to get 90 more points. So if I knock those out, maybe try to do this one, this birthday one. I don't know. I'm thinking about just trying to go for the gusto. Not even just 400. Trying to do at least like as much as I can. So we're gonna try. Okay. Um. Weird input. So this is client side protection. So it's gonna be uh, most likely in the code. Okay. So weird input solved 424 times. Typing is hard. Just look at the flag with your eyes and then type those keys. It couldn't be simpler. Alright, we've done this one. So, this is obviously a coding issue or something. So, every time I type something, A comes out. So, that's the code I'm going to look for, right? Or anything related to this button, right? So, something's happening with this button here. When it gets to this code and you start typing, it replaces it with an A. I guess no matter what it is, it gets replaced with an A. So I'm looking for something that replaces it with an A, and then seeing if I can bypass that. Right? Feeling okay? No, I'm not feeling okay. But if I copy and paste, same thing. Feeling okay? All right. So let's inspect this code. Let's go over here and first off, let's find this. It's the first one, so we gotta find that where that is. In the Now, the first thing I do is I start with elements, right? I start at the elements because sometimes you can hack it from the elements. So why not start there, right? If you don't have to go deep diving, I'm one of those guys that I start from the start. When you fix a car, you gotta start with the basic stuff. Why jump into the um, complicated stuff if it could be something basic, right? 25 points? Is it 25 points for this? Man, that's whack. I mean, this is not even. This isn't easy, and they're only giving you 25 points for this. This is stupid. Should give at least 50. This is 2.0. I'm gonna think. Oh no, this ain't 2.0. What's the next one? Is okay. Where is this stupid crap? Did I pass it? And I like to open up all of these. And the more times I go through here, the more times I, understand what they're doing here. So they hit that little X button. I don't care about that little X button. Keeps myself from that. Okay, so typing is hard. And I want to see some. So it always takes us to this submit answer, of course, hacker challenge. Well, What was my answer? I didn't put anything in there. Hold up. Alright, that looks good. Turn Ajax. Okay, so this is from the last thing I worked on. And this is manipulating the answer. Let's see what that answer is. Quotation marks, yeah, because that's the last thing I put in. Your input, open parentheses. I'm just gonna run through this, and this is I had this up from the last thing I worked on, so this aborts it. Ajax, okay. Set repressor. And remember, I'm no um what do you call it? One of these. I'm not a web developer. Okay, I'm not a. I just can read code, and I can read all kinds of code, right? And but I'm not one of these where I know all the commands for this and stuff. So I don't build websites, or I don't mess with HTML or Java or none of these codes constantly, right? This is basically like the first time I've looked at this code since I looked at website code since I started this challenge. That's it. I don't really look at website code. So I'm just going through and basically learning how this is working or how they're writing all this code. Um, like I don't know how to use any of these tools or any of these functions. I've barely started using them last maybe year or so, off and on. Um, okay, so let's go back, and I don't want any breaks yet. I just want to see how this functions. I'm actually going to leave that one there. Submit answer. So, what's my answer? Let's see what my answer is actually now. Okay, so that's the tag challenge. It was looking for this, right? See, it has the flag here. Maybe I could change the value. Weird input. This is, I've already submitted the answer. No, it hasn't. It's about to. Okay, so where is that? Where was that right now? Damn it. Tag challenge. Tag dot challenge. Meta. Challenge ID. Values. A. So maybe we can change the value here. Values. D. Like that. Undefined. Undefined. False. Let's see if that worked. Yeah, answer flag packet. Says the answer is flag packet now. Wait, there's it at? There it go. What is this for? Undefined. It's just to end display. Abort. I don't like the word abort. Why is this aborting? Timeout. See, it's always good to see, I'm putting little breakpoints on these timers and stuff and the answers and stuff because it's always a good place to mess with stuff, right? You might have a challenge that says something about finishing in this in a certain amount of seconds. If seconds is less than zero, which it is, this is a minus, right? In timer. Okay, so in the damn timer. I just don't want to skip something. I want to see what this is doing. If apply, if apply, promise. Oh, solved. Freaking awesome. That was awesome. Man, I'm glad I recorded that. That was an accident. So I didn't want to show you guys the answer, but I guess, I guess that's okay. 315 points now. Awesome sauce. All right, man. I don't know. I didn't get lucky on that one. That actually is smart to do. So when you're going through these hacker challenges, right? And uh, you've got, and you're looking through the code, okay, and you find like the submit answer, and you find the timer and all that stuff. Put breakpoints on them because you can use those at other um, what do you call it in other challenges. That one thing can solve a lot of these problems and these client side protections and other things, right? Like you might exploitation. No, I don't know about these, but yeah. So maybe not even these cross-site scripting; those are injections. So yeah, I don't know. You can definitely solve all the client-side stuff if you put a break on the answer and the timers and stuff like that. But there you go. Just got another 25 points. I don't know if I'm gonna make a video for this one, or maybe we should try to do this one real quick. How many minutes we got left? 3:15. 3:15. Oh, let me see. I got 14 minutes. Let's see if I can do this one in 14 minutes. If I can't, then I don't know. So I bet you can do this the same way because this is paid content, right? So you're just gonna change the answer to. Okay, hold on. Paid content. Solve 2,000 times. Pay for things you want 2.0. You must be a paid user to proceed. Submit. You're not a paid user. So the submit. So the first thing is whatever's connected to the submit button. It has to be connected to um, whatever you submit. So your answer again, right? I'm thinking, but this is 2.0. It says. So this one I solved before months ago, but they changed it. They made it harder because this one was really easy. So I'm sure I'm not going to be able to change the answer. Let's find out. So, like I said, I always go to this start first. Always. Um, because, like I said, you always start here. Unhide stuff, hide stuff. And I don't like hidden stuff anyway, so. Oh, let me show you this real quick. This is what they changed on this script. Beginner, 0 points. Look, so can you hack it? Thresholds. Easy. Whoa, I didn't press anything. Anyways, easy is 400. I don't know if I want to go for easy. Expert 700. Elite, which I'm guessing is elite, is 1500. Legend is 2500. Probably like doing them all as your legend. So I mean, we're gonna go for the gust, but I'm gonna try to get as many of these I can done before um, I have that interview, or if I even get an interview. I don't know. This is pretty cool though. All right, so we'll look. Let's go back. So that's what they changed. It wasn't like that before. 14 minutes. Let's see. Put 10 now. What's going on here? What? Where is it? Why did it close? Oh, and I'm gonna try to hack this button at the end too. I've already hacked, I think, some of it, and it's saying that, "Are you trying to hack this? You're wasting your time." Like, I don't think so. I don't think it's a waste of time. I've already gotten that far to where your little failsafe pops up and says, "Oh, are you trying to hack this?" Oh, anyways, it's gonna be right here. Okay, up here somewhere. Why is that? All right, we're gonna go here now. What do I have to do on this one again? Okay, flipper. Okay, flip it. Wait, I don't want that on there yet. Oh, come on. Let's see what. Apply. Submit hacker challenge. Maybe we can use the same thing. Okay. Let's see what the tag is. Paid false. Maybe I can change this right here. True. There you go. Let's see if that. See how they. Okay, so this is what they did. they turned your answer into like the longest. So you can't just change the answer. See, your answer is just all this crap, which you can probably find go through that and find the like, paid content. Okay, so that's what they did. They made this where you can't just change the answer unless you go through all this and change the damn answer. Oh, okay. So retired false, solved false. That's fine. JS file. Okay, so what I can do is I can look through that and find everything and change it, right? But I don't know if that'll work. Let's see. Close your timer again. I don't like this abort. I don't like it. I don't know why. I don't know why it says that. I'm just gonna skip through that. Oh no, I didn't want to do that. Ah, damn it! You're not a paid user. Okay, so okay, so ah, damn. Something's happening. Answer. Yeah, it's that answer. Okay. I'm just gonna let it run through real quick. Okay, I messed it up. Okay, so gotta be right here. We can mess with things. So let's see. You're gonna need to change this for sure to true. And I can even change this to true for the hell of it. Because it didn't do anything last time. So let's go through this meta. Go ahead and figure it out. I don't know. Oh, okay, just for the hell of it. Okay. So what is the submit answer? Oh, wait a minute. Submit answer tag values. All right. I don't know if I. I'm gonna check the value. So if you just type in value and you press return, it's gonna give you what it is, right? And then so this is what they did, I think, to overly complicate it. What the little 2.0 is. I mean, it's got all kinds of crap. So if we go through this really slow, right? And it's grabbing your meta, it's grabbing all your stuff. Paid description, paid 2.0 prompt. I mean, this literally is convoluting everything, right? Solve. See how it says false right there? Let's put solved. Wait, what's oh my god, that's not supposed solved. Alright, change that. Coded true, you're not a paid user. Solved. So this is already going to get submitted as false, I think, since it's showing here already. This is all just mumbo jumbo. Paid content, number of solved. Paid false. Let's see. Paid equals true. Okay. Alright, now let's see what happened. So paid solved, and it didn't do anything. Paid content answer false. So I need to get that in there before it hits that or something. Maybe all right. Maybe. Yeah, I might break this doing this with that solved. See how that's. Oh, let me freaking submit this. Guess I should have looked at the answer, but no. Oh, what is this? Post bad request. Let's look at that. Anything in here? Mm, cookies. Cookie. I solved that one already. Alright. And cookie. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to do this in time. I'm gonna have to pause. I got 3 minutes, so I'm probably gonna have to pause and come back to this one. Um, let's go through and maybe try it for another couple minutes. Shouldn't give up. All right. All right. Here we go. One more time. Let's see what I'm getting. So this is paid false already on this tag challenge. See, it says false, and I just changed it to true. So we need to see where before where it's doing that. Paid encoded false. Nothing encoded. Tired false. Something like that. Challenge paid challenging paid content. Values paid content. Right, let's see what this is doing up here. Values array from arguments. Oh, okay. Arguments. Oh, stop over here next time. Yeah, it's setting it up here. Come through. You've already solved this challenge. All right, so I think it's probably somewhere in here we can change something before it hits over there. So we'll Keep going through this, and it ain't gonna work. All right, so hit this. Should stop. It doesn't. All right, oh, let's close that real quick and start all over. Open this back up. Well, have it possibly have it on the breakpoints. Where's this at? jQuery manager, JavaScript file. And it just totally bypasses this tag. Tags. Huh. I'm just trying to figure out what's happening, why this keeps changing. Challenge ID pick. Oh, that's my answer though. I don't know what. Oh, this one's kind of tricky. Okay, so this one is. Okay, so submit. This one is. If apply. So it runs through this, but why? Why would it start on there? That's weird. I didn't put a capital. I don't want that. I want arguments. Arguments. Okay. Let's see. Oh, that's the problem right there. Damn it. Maybe that might not work. I could just take out arguments. There you go. See if that works. See what that says. Yeah, I messed this up. I don't know. So it's attaching all that crap on the value right here. If I if value dot length equals 1, So if the values equal 1, which if then it comes in here and it puts the values in. If values dot length equals 1, values equals values, and the first in this array, which is the array. Let's see what happens when I do it again. See if I can stop on that. Yeah, if values dot, so it's a length equals 1, values at this point is what? So it doesn't have anything. Okay, this might be where it's at. Okay. Let me see what value it says right now. Oh, alright. That might be okay. Let's see. I think I got it. So, so I'm gonna have to go back to this, but see, okay, values dot length, and then I'm gonna put values as, and it's gonna come here, and I can change the values here to um, values equals. Then I can change it to this. Let's see. Skip that. Alright, so here, skip, okay, values. So let's go here. See what happens. It's gonna skip values equals 0. Values undefined. It's gonna set it to. So values is. Oh, nice. That doesn't look that long anymore, or no? Submit answer. What happened to this? I know the paid in here. There's no paid in here no more. Is that the wrong one? That's the meta. All values are undefined. So maybe we can put them in. That didn't work. Answer is undefined, so we can change that answer to what? What does it want? What does it want? Paid true? Answer. Alright, one more time. Let's see. It was on the right path, it just was on the wrong train. Alright. Values dot length. So we're gonna change values to, let's do that one too. Let's do that one too. Okay, so now that they're undefined. Submit answer. And here's your tags. Values undefined. So values is what? What was values before? Damn it. Can't remember what the answer they wanted. Okay, we have to see what the answer they wanted again. Paid content. Oh, wait a minute. Answer everything matters. Okay, hold on. This is the paid content. I just put that undefined. That's fine. We'll go to paid content. Yeah, it's the paid content. Word about okay, challenge ID. Oh, paid content. It's just challenge ID. Damn it. Man, let's see what's going on here. Answer equals true. Come on, no whammies, no whammies. I don't like that abort. Come on, no whammies. Ah, stupid asshole. Sorry. Oh man. It's one of these. It's somewhere in here. I'm on it, but I just gotta see where it's changing it. Mm. Alright, so here's the values. Oh, that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so I'm gonna take these values, this. That's what I'm gonna do. So this should work. And I'm gonna change those. So it's gonna come here. And undefined. And I'm gonna change values equals. Paste that right there like that, right? I'm gonna change this. It's gonna be the same thing, but except I'm gonna change some values. True, unsolved, pin, true. I'm gonna check the values. Solved, true. P, true. All right, so that's it. Let's see. Let's see what it did up here. P, true. All right. That should work now, man. God, if that doesn't work, I don't know what the hell. I'm just gonna have to just stop, come back to this one. I don't want to make this video too long, but that was in there, so this one should work. That's some other bull crap because I don't like that. Abort. That's ridiculous. Solved. That's right, baby. That's how you do that shit. I mean, that makes sense to me. See, and that's how you do it. You just gotta figure it out. And that was a cool ass way I did that. I like that. And like I said, in this type of business, this type of field, there's 1,000 ways to skin a cat. There's a there's there's many ways to skin a cat. Okay, um, that's awesome. I love that. But anyways, so if you see what we did was I debugged through it and I looked at where it was changing, right? And then I found a vulnerability or a loophole in it that basically where it was checking to see if the length of the value was um, whatever they put in here, all this other gobbledygook crap, and they did this to confuse somebody that's trying to hack it because I mean this is just ridiculous. This is overkill of the value. They added everything. So you saw what I did. I stopped it there when it was undefined. After it was undefined, that means that it was basically a raw template. But you're gonna have to put in back what it's expecting, right? And what it was expecting was the before it was undefined. I just copied all the stuff and then I just went pasted it, changed the variable value and their values equals, pasted it what it was expecting, and then I just changed the solved to true and the paid to true, and they were right there. See, and then that's it. And then you just run through the code, and then you're done. So we'll close this. So it's solved. Boom. So I solved all these client side protections, found a lot of vulnerabilities, and um, I mean that's what this website is for, right? It's to find the vulnerabilities and you know, but if you know how to read them or whatnot, you'd be all right. So yeah, this client side protections is done. Like I said, I'm gonna be jumping around. I'm not gonna go in order because that's just really boring, and I get stuck on some for a while. So I mean, I'll just jump to another one and try that one. Jump to, and then I just come back. Right. I solved all these input validations. Um, I don't know. I think that was a pretty cool video. I did two of them in one. So, um, alright, I'm gonna give this website a break for a minute. And I'm gonna do other videos and other stuff, but um yeah, if you guys like these videos, then like and subscribe. And remember, my channel is live learning. Okay. I I'm not an expert in hacking, I mean, or anything like that. I'm not an expert in um web HTML. I'm not an expert in anything. Um, Basically, a jack of all trades. And a lot of people they like to, jack of all trades, master of none, and all that stuff. But if you look at the actual quote, the full quote of jack of all trades, it's a good thing to be a jack of all trades. Everybody thinks it's a bad thing because they only take that one snippet of it. But if you look at the whole quote, it's a good thing to be a jack of all trades. So, anyways, I I do a little bit of everything, as you know, if you watch my channel, and all this stuff is live. Every video I do, you're seeing how I'm figuring it out, so that way you guys can get an idea of how to think. Okay, so you can get an idea on how to figure things out. All right, that was Hack the File, and I hope you had fun, and I'll see you next time. Enjoy it.